Hello there. In this video, I'm excited to walk you through the process of adding a video to your eBay listing. Whether you're a seasoned seller or just starting out, incorporating video can significantly enhance your listings and attract more buyers. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need to log into your eBay account using your credentials. If you're new to eBay and haven't set up an account yet, simply click on Create an Account. Here, you have the option to choose between a personal account or a business account. Just fill in your full legal name, email, and password and click Create an Account to get started. Alternatively, you can streamline the process by signing up with your Google, Facebook, or Apple account. Now, let's talk about the main event, adding a video to your eBay listing. This is a straightforward process that I'll guide you through step by step. If you're using the Seller Hub, your interface might look a bit different, but don't worry, the core steps are the same. From your eBay dashboard, click on Summary or Selling to begin. Once you're on the Summary dashboard, look to the left side where you'll find options like Sell an Item. Here, you can start a new listing from scratch or modify an existing one to include a video. For those already in the midst of creating a listing, simply click to edit it and add your video content. Keep in mind that you can only add one video per listing, but the same video can be used across multiple listings. To upload, either click Upload Video or drag and drop the video file from your computer or cloud storage. Ensure that your video is in an MP4 or MOV format, and it should not exceed 150 megabytes or about 1 minute in length. If you're using the advanced listing tool in the Seller Hub, you can take advantage of additional features. Once uploaded, your video will be positioned as the second visual element in your listing and cannot be rearranged. The eBay system will notify you that your video is in progress. After uploading, the video will undergo a review process, typically taking up to 48 hours. However, during peak periods, it could take up to 7 business days. Make sure your video complies with all eBay policies and is in the language corresponding to your listing's location. Once approved, your video will be visible to potential buyers, enhancing their shopping experience. If you encounter any issues or have questions about eBay's guidelines for video content, head over to the Help and Contact section for detailed information on images, videos, and text policies. Here, you can also find out why a video might be rejected and how to rectify any issues. And there you have it. You've now learned how to add a video to your eBay listing. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps boost your sales and engagement. Be sure to subscribe for more useful tips, and I'll see you in the next video.